Ever dream of turning your truck into a money-making machine? Well, I've found the app that lets you do just that. And no, it's not a scam, promise. Stick around because you won't believe how easy it is to make cash with GoShare. Alright folks, picture this. You've got a pickup, van, or even an SUV collecting dust in your driveway. It's not exactly making you rich, right? Well, what if I told you that same vehicle could start bringing in hundreds of dollars per hour? Sounds like a dream. Let me introduce you to GoShare. GoShare is an app that connects you with people who needs deliveries done. Think furniture moves, last mile shipping, or local freight. And the best part, you're the boss. You choose when and where you work. Want to be a weekend warrior or work late nights? No problem. Here's the deal. GoShare pays some of the highest rates in the logistics game. Box trucks can earn you up to $180 per hour. Cargo vans can bring in around $100 and even your trusty pickup can pull in 70 per hour. Plus 100% of the tips. Yep, you keep it all. This is perfect for anyone looking to make some extra cash on their own terms. Now let's be real. You're not gonna make that money just by sitting there. You'll need to be lifting and carrying, and your vehicle must be 2003 or newer. But if that's you, this could be the easiest side hustle ever. You might be thinking, okay, but how does GoShare stack up against other delivery apps? Well, here's my take. Unlike other gig apps that leave you guessing, GoShare gives you the clarity to plan your day and hit the road when you want to. So should you try GoShare? If you've got the vehicle and the hustle, I'd say why not? You control your schedule, the pay is solid, and the app does most of the work for you. It's like Uber but for deliveries and moving jobs. GoShare might just be the side hustle you've been waiting for. And hey, who doesn't want to make money while helping people move that new couch? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Catch you on the next one.